Shopping in Rome is an experience unlike any other. From bustling markets to chic boutiques, the city offers treasures that reflect its rich history, artistry, and culture.
Today, we're diving into the best souvenirs to buy in Rome, from historical replicas and authentic Italian fashion to local delicacies and handcrafted art. Whether you're looking for wearable luxury, edible treats, or timeless keepsakes, Rome has something for every visitor.
Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. Let's get started. Rome's souvenirs go beyond decoration. They're a glimpse into the city's legendary past. For history enthusiasts, replicas of ancient Roman artifacts and gladiator-themed mementos offer a tangible connection to the grandeur of the empire. Walking through Rome's markets, you'll find replica Roman coins, often featuring emperors like Julius Caesar or Augustus, offering a peek into Rome's political legacy. Mosaic tiles and pottery replicas, crafted with museum-level precision, reflect the artistry of ancient Roman homes. Collectors may also appreciate scrolls, maps, or prints of Roman frescoes, capturing mythology and daily life in ancient times. For fans of Rome's gladiatorial history, there's no shortage of standout memorabilia. Miniature Colosseum models, warrior figurines, and replica helmets provide iconic souvenirs. High-quality sandals inspired by gladiator footwear even let visitors wear a piece of history, while keychains, magnets, and themed t-shirts offer budget-friendly ways to take Rome's arena culture home. These items aren't just decorative, they bring the history of ancient Rome to life in a meaningful and enduring way.
Next up, Italian fashion items. Rome is a hub of world-class craftsmanship, offering pieces that embody Italian elegance and heritage. From luxurious scarves and leather bags to exquisite Roman jewelry, each item reflects the artistry and tradition that have made Italian fashion globally renowned. Italian scarves, made from silk, cashmere, or fine wool, are a staple of timeless style. Known for vibrant patterns and masterful craftsmanship, these scarves combine fashion with functionality. Many boutiques near the Vatican offer scarves adorned with artistic prints, some inspired by Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling. Leather bags in Rome are celebrated for their durability, softness, and signature aroma. Handcrafted totes, crossbody bags, and satchels, often made using traditional tanning techniques, offer both sophistication and practicality. Shops in Trastevere and boutiques near Via Condotti are perfect places to find authentic, high-quality leather pieces. Roman jewelry is more than an accessory, it's art influenced by the city's rich history. Gold, silver, and semi-precious stones are often designed with motifs inspired by ancient Roman coins, Baroque elegance, or Vatican artistry. Whether it's a handcrafted cameo, statement ring, or delicate filigree earrings, Roman jewelry offers a unique connection to the city's cultural legacy. These fashion souvenirs carry more than style. They carry stories, tradition, and the heart of Italian craftsmanship.
Moving on to Rome's culinary treasures, these make unforgettable souvenirs, allowing you to savor the city's flavors long after your trip. Among the top edible keepsakes, extra virgin olive oil stands out for its superior quality and taste. Roman olive oils are world-renowned thanks to the region's ideal climate, fertile soil, and centuries-old production methods. Look for bottles labeled extra virgin oil for the purest flavor and highest nutritional value. For a truly authentic experience, visit Campo de Fiori, Testacio market, or specialty grocers to sample different varieties. Some oils have a peppery kick while others are smooth and buttery. Beautifully packaged bottles from artisanal producers make for elegant gifts, preserving both freshness and presentation. Beyond olive oil, Rome offers aged balsamic vinegar, truffle-infused products, and handcrafted pasta, each delivering a taste of Italy to enjoy at home.
Now, Piazza Navona, one of Rome's most iconic squares, is a haven for art lovers and collectors. Beyond its stunning fountains and architecture, talented artisans showcase unique handcrafted pieces that capture the city's artistic soul. Paintings of Rome's landmarks, from the Pantheon to the Tiber River, range from detailed realism to expressive watercolors. Many artists offer custom pieces, allowing you to bring home a truly personalized souvenir. For sculpture enthusiasts, small replicas of Bernini's fountains, the Colosseum, and ancient Roman statues are widely available, often made from marble dust and resin. These sculptures bring classical Rome into your home. Another highlight is hand-painted ceramics featuring classic Italian motifs like lemons, vines, and Renaissance patterns. From decorative plates and vases to espresso cups, these pieces add a Roman touch to your home. For functional souvenirs, local shops offer handmade stationery, Venetian Gale masks, and artisanal kitchen tools like olive wood pasta rollers and espresso makers, perfect for bringing Italian culture into daily life.
So there you have it, Rome's best souvenirs, from historical replicas and gladiator memorabilia to luxurious fashion, local delicacies, and handcrafted art. Each item is more than a keepsake. It's a story, a tradition, and a piece of Roman culture to take home. Have you explored Rome's markets or boutiques? Which souvenirs caught your eye? Share your experiences in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more travel tips and shopping guides. Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders.